Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into the mysteries of love, life, and everything in between. Today we are decoding something we all wondered about at some point of time. What's on your partner's mind about you? Whether it's love, confusion, or hesitation, the tarot cards don't lie. And here I'm here to guide you through their hidden thoughts and feelings. So take a deep breath, relax, and intuitively pick one of these three sets I'll show you. So trust your instincts. They'll lead you to the answers you really need at this point of time. So let's begin. I hope you have chose your set that I just chose you. So for people who chose set 1, your partner feels emotionally distant right now, and the reason might surprise you. Someone from their past has resurfaced, stirring unresolved emotions and creating confusion in their mind. They may be caught between nostalgia, that is because of the Six of Cups, and their current connection with you. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to walk away from you, but their heart feels divided. It's time for you to have patience but also clarity. I suggest that you don't hesitate to communicate your feelings, how you are thinking, and just don't take everything so personally. Okay, so now coming back to the people who have chose set 2. So after carrying doubts and burdens for a really long time, your partner's feeling have taken a transformative turn. Well, now they see you as someone who could build, who they can build a future with, perhaps even as a family. Their realization, has been has this is like a whole been a process, and while it has taken time, they're finally coming to terms with how important you are in their life. This shift might lead to deeper conversations about your relationship's future. And also, if you've been waiting for a sign of their commitment, then this is it. This is your time to get a commitment. Okay, coming back to the people who have chose set 3. Your partner sees you as their closest friend and someone they deeply respect. However, there is a hesitation because this is very interesting. They view you as someone who is self-assured, confident, and selective. A combination that makes you seem unapproachable. Okay, while they admire you, their fear of rejection or not being enough for you holds them back from making a move towards you. Well, if you are feeling the same way, it's time that you break the ice. Because they are waiting for a signal from you, because they are waiting for a signal that is it okay to step in, is it okay to take that step in favor of you. So yes, this is for your set 3. If you have resonated with any of these sets, do let me know. It is very, very important, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for all the tarot.